Welcome everyone, how are you today? Scrembo here with another video on Cardano price analysis and technical details of 3rd of July 2023. We're looking for discovering what's going on in the market at the highest level possible. Now make sure to subscribe to the main channel. We have ChatGPT bot trading on commission, no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made. We're going to talk about it at the end. We also have a page with the reports and the weight functions. What's happening, guys, with Cardano? Well, it is nothing out of the blue or in terms of out of the averages of the market. And I will say that unfortunately, because other cryptocurrencies did much better. And this is the comparison that I must do in terms of financial resources adjustment or sort of a way maximizing your money. You don't want to sit in cryptocurrencies that don't do anything. You definitely want to maximize your resources. And I always said to my students as well, if there is an ability and an opportunity in the markets that is giving you much more, you need to take that. This is how it works. You cannot be married to a cryptocurrency or to a project that is sort of a way lack of movement. You don't do that. Even though it might have a great community, it might have a great time. Now, it's not really the case about Cardano as overall speaking, even though during this specific segment and sector that we're crossing, Cardano unfortunately falls into that topic that I've just mentioned. It is pretty much lack of momentum that generates a low level of index on the volatility side and makes no moves. Not even from the bulls or from the bears, it's completely dead. Now, obviously, this is not for the whole period of time. This is usually in a specific segment, but then once it moves, it drives everyone crazy. I do remember Cardano did 30 to 40% when other altcoins were sleeping. So I'm not basically surprised that we have it in this way, but I'm most likely trying to underline the fact that you need to separate from cryptocurrencies that are dead for a period of time than the ones that are always dead. Cardano is not always, and it's just having the segments that are periodically appearing in all the altcoins out there, especially the ones that are in the tops. So don't be crazy around the topic. Do not be harsh on this crypto, even though it's slow, it's sleeping, and it's not where you would have expected. What's happening? Well, you have to deal with resistances, guys. And if you don't pump this, it will not go anywhere. Look at it. 2 places that I haven't circled. We have 5 confirmations of resistance. We need to deal with a lot of the resistance pressure coming from the lines, and this is not easy. First of all, you have the 1.41 Fibonacci, the red line, the horizontal red line. That is basically closing the candlesticks straight away at 30 cents. It's not permitting a higher closing than that. And on top of that, you have the previous support, current resistance, this green line right there. That is most likely marking a heavy selling pressure because we're trading below. On the other side, what else do you have is you have a vertical Fibonacci point, and that is this light blue vertical lines. They're also marking possible reaction points. The reaction points, by that I mean reversal points. So, this has been a correct one over here. This has been a correct one. Look at that. We're reversing. Very, very nice. Now, we would expect basically something on around 10th, of July. But again, the accuracy rate of this indicator is not anywhere around 70 to 80. It's around 55 to 60%. So do not put your bases solely into that, or do not expect basically to do something magic. However, what is important here is that you need to take Cardano much higher, especially in the range between the green and the red line. You cannot sit in the range between the blue and the red line because you are bearish. And the bearish retracement basically will put us into this wick or below this structure, guys. So this is how the pullback is going to look for Cardano. Into that wick, price action can easily fall over there, find support and recover. That's a place to enter specifically on that, which can basically take the whole activity of price action from that wick as well, cross this once and go slightly below. Meanwhile, you are still sitting on the support line, right? So you can definitely do that. And do not forget the fact that the markets on a 4-hour candlestick have a lot of the time to fall down and recover with a buying pressure by printing at the end of the day a wick in the candle. So they can always do that. Beautiful. That's it for the moment, guys. Bring the markets into the range of green and red horizontal structures and then we talk about a different language, because you are going to be as well on top of the, this major trending resistance we're having right now, the green one. We need to get above that and be back in the channel, right? So then we can talk about an explosion back to 35 cents, touching with this resistance supply zone that we need to deal with. That's it for today and for the moment. Once again, folks, for those of you that are interested in ChatGPT bot trading, where the whole process is executed by us through API trading, completely outsourced, where no upfront fee, just a commission from the pure profits made that is paid by you every 7 days. This is our weekly performance that we have on our page, and then the way it functions right there. Feel free to complete the form. Links are in the description area, or contact me, qualify for a free conversation with me. Let me explain you more on it, as well the one-on-one coaching, where if you want to be a part-time or a full-time trader, make extra money, do things correctly, and learn from someone that is professional since 2014. Check out a spot. This is only for the most serious people and only for the comprehensive ones. Register now for more details. Have a good time, folks, and we'll talk to you soon.